What is going on, everybody? Logan here from New Video. I can finally say, after 3 years of me consistently getting calls, that GNC finally carries CBD oil. As you can see right over here, we just started to get this stuff in last week. We have some CBD diffusing oil that you can put in like an oil diffuser, like the one I have over there in that corner. Just makes the store smell good. You can put like lavender oil in there, like before you go to bed, and it'll kind of help you be relaxed. Same kind of concept, just with CBD oil, so you can just use this in your oil diffuser instead of your normal oil. We also have some of the CBD cream. This right here is going to be in a jar, while this one right here is going to be a roll-on. Both 750 milligrams of CBD per container. And that's one thing that I kind of want to make clear real quick. There is no THC in any of this. I mean, it's legal in all 50 states. THC is obviously illegal in many states, but there is no THC, so if anybody was going to ask that, there's no THC. And then we also have the Cbd Sport Cream. This stuff's going to have 1,200 milligrams of CBD per bottle. Basically, you just rub this stuff anywhere that you have any kind of aches or pains. It's supposed to be a really good anti-inflammatory, and apparently the stuff does work. And then right over here, we have the double strength, which is just double the strength of 1,200. It's 2,400 milligrams of CBD. But this stuff right here is definitely the strongest stuff that GNC carries. As of right now, I mean, we don't have the oil in yet. I'm sure that one day we're going to get it in. It's just right now we are just limited to the creams and the diffusing oil. Actually, certain GNCs have been carrying this stuff, I'd say, for what, maybe 6 months now. We are just now getting it. We are here in Texas. I know that there are some issues with some mall stores not wanting to carry any CBD products, so if you go to a GNC like in a mall and they don't carry it, that's why. But for the time being, this right here is all the CBD stuff GNC is going to carry, but just give it a few months, we're going to have more stuff. But as far as CBD, that's pretty much all I have. But one thing I wanted to say is that my bosses, they finally said that I can actually come in here and do videos on different products, brand new products, or even just the stuff I use as like I'm opening it, unboxing it, whatnot. So if y'all have any kind of requests as far as pre-workouts, proteins, any supplements, herbs, or anything, I've managed GNCs for what, last 2-3 years, and I've been working at GNC for the last 5. So any kind of questions, just let me know. And over here, we're a locally owned store. We're not a corporate store. I know that there is a little bit of a difference. We carry a little bit more than the corporate stores. We even carry the NDS PMD line. So any kind of questions about anything GNC carries, just leave it down in the comments below. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.